Hello, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and this video is to present to you the 2012 Nissan QashQai we have in stock at Seaford MG. This 2012 example is presented to you in stunning metallic silver. It's the N-Tech Plus model, and it's also a 7-seater. The car has been well maintained by its previous owner and has covered just 56,338 miles. The interior and exterior condition is presented to you exceptionally well and comes packed with a vast array of features. Inside the car on your media screen, not only do you have the navigation module, you've also got Bluetooth connectivity and CD player. Large panoramic sunroof, which is the full length. The car also has 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, rear privacy glass, which are your rear tinted windows, in addition to rear reversing camera. If you'd like any more information on this car or a personalised video, contact Seaford MG on 01323 898 818.